Are you having issues with the fitness app on your iPhone? I totally get how frustrating that can be, especially if you use it to keep track of your workouts and health stats. There are a few common reasons why it might not be working, like app settings, permissions, or even some pesky software glitches. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get your fitness app back on track. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Enable background app refresh. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down again and select Background App Refresh. Now ensure that Background App Refresh is enabled for either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, scroll through the list of apps and confirm that the Fitness app is enabled for Background App Refresh. Solution 2. Check App Permissions. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, select iCloud. Now, tap on Show All. Next, find the Fitness app and make sure it's toggled on. If it's already on, turn it back off and then back on. Finally, restarting your iPhone. Solution 3. Offload the Fitness app. Open the settings, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, select iPhone Storage. Now locate the Fitness app in the list. Next, tap on the app and choose Offload. Tap Offload again to confirm. Finally, tap to reinstall the app, which will free up storage without losing your app data. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, select Software Update. Now if an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Finally, once the update is complete, check if the Fitness app is functioning properly. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset and then choose Reset All. Finally, confirm your choice. Note, this will reset Wi-Fi passwords and settings, but don't worry, it won't erase your data. After the reset, check the Fitness app to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Fitness app up and running back again on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to stick around for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and take care.